Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for anyone who spends a lot of time on the road. This right here is the FOVAL 150W car power inverter. And let me tell you, it's the best plug-in AC solution for your car that you can get right now. Stick around as we explore why this little device is a game changer. First off, what exactly does this power inverter do? Essentially, it takes your car's 12 volts DC power and converts it into 110 volts AC power, just like the outlets you have at home. This means you can plug in and charge a whole range of devices while you're on the move. One of the standout features of the FOVAL inverter is its versatility. It's equipped with not just one, but two USB ports alongside the AC outlet. So whether you need to charge your laptop, smartphone, tablet, or even power some smaller appliances like a mini fridge or a CPAP machine, this inverter has you covered. Now, let's talk about design. It's compact, about the size of a credit card, which makes it incredibly portable. The aluminum shell not only looks sleek but also provides durability, perfect for those rough road trips or outdoor adventures. Safety is always a concern when dealing with electrical devices, especially in a car. FOVAL has integrated multiple protections into this inverter. It has a built-in fuse to protect your devices from power surges, overheating, and short circuits, ensuring both your devices and your vehicle are safe. Imagine this scenario. You're on a road trip, and your passengers need to charge their devices. With the FOVAL inverter, you can keep everyone connected and entertained. From charging laptops to powering game consoles for the kids, this device turns your car into a mobile workstation or entertainment center. Now, you might be wondering, how does the FOVAL inverter stack up against other options? Well, considering its price point and the features it offers like the dual USB ports, solid build quality, and reliable performance, it's truly a standout choice in its category. So there you have it, folks, the FOVAL 150W car power inverter. If you're someone who spends a lot of time traveling by car or simply wants a reliable way to power your electronics on the go, this is definitely worth checking out. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can find more details and get your hands on one. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product analyses. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.